Homeless advocacy group in Texarkana is working to get a picture of how big the issue is for the city.
NBC6's Hunter Trombetta joins us now live from our Texarkana bureau with more. Hunter?
Good evening, Dan and Jackie. The annual pit count gives the Texarkana Homeless Coalition an idea of how big the local homeless population is so that funding can be secured for future programs.
Well, so today we're having our annual point-in-time count. We call it a pit count. It is something that's required by the federal government.
The Texarkana Homeless Coalition spent the day getting a head count and surveying all of the people who came for meals at Mission Texarkana and those who were staying at Randy Sam.
And then we'll also go out in the streets and try to see who all's out there that we can get counted today.
The pit count also provides the agencies an opportunity to interact with the local homeless population and see precisely what issues are affecting them most.
And that's where they're from, dealing with mental health or dealing with substance use or dealing with trauma or dealing with providing housing. All these different facets can use this data to go out and get funding to help with their part of trying to address the issue of homelessness.
The agencies not only rely on this data to determine which programs need funding, but the entities providing the funding require it as well.
We have one grant that we do, our Continuum of Care Rapid Rehousing grant, that we have to enter data in there every year. We apply for those funding.
For now, the count only includes the Texas side, but they are working on a system that would include both sides of the state line.
Because, and we know there's a state line that doesn't stop people from going back and forth.
The count has averaged around 150 for the past few years.
I do expect to see somewhat of an increase to that number this year.
The Texarkana Homeless Coalition is also hosting their annual Bridge City Chili Cook-Off fundraiser tomorrow at 5 p.m. It will be held behind the lofts at the Grimm and is free to attend. Reporting live in Texarkana, Hunter Trombetta, NBC6 News.
All right, Hunter, thanks so much.